Hello. Yes, I am better equipped now. Well, आज का जो टॉपिक है दैट इज 5 एलिमेंट्स को मैं कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ फॉर बूस्टिंग इम्यूनिटी। वेल, इंडियन कल्चर में तो हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऑलरेडी फॉलो करते हैं जो मुझे रियलाइज़ हुई है कि हम बस बिंदास हो सकते हैं फिर। सो वही मैं शेयर करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ। वैसे भी वी आर रिकवरिंग सो वेल एंड आवर हेल्थ वर्कर्स, doctors, everyone is doing excellent and the best in their part and मैं एक छोटा सा रोल प्ले करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ। हो सकता है किसी के काम आ जाए। सो 5 एलिमेंट्स में यस अगेन वंस अगेन आई जो 2 लोग मेरे सामने आ रहे हैं जिनको मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ फॉर दिस इज़ अगेन डॉक्टर गौरी रोकम, क्योंकि 5 एलिमेंट्स से उन्होंने मुझे वापस एक बार कनेक्ट किया है। एंड देन अगेन ऑफ कोर्स माय लर्निंग्स, वेदर इट इज़ हीलिंग, वेदर इट इज़ mirror work, so all my mentors, so I just bow down to them before I share my views, because कहीं ना कहीं उन्होंने एक बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले किया है मेरी लाइफ में एंड हेंस आई एम एबल टू शेयर विद यू what I'm just up to sharing. And of course उसमें मैंने अपना भी जो भी मैंने आई लव रीडिंग, आई लव लर्निंग फ्रॉम बुक्स, सो वो सब कुछ इंक्लूड करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ। सो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज सन। वी ऑल नो पंच महाभूता, सन, एयर, वाटर, स्पेस, अर्थ। सो सन एलिमेंट, और हम उसको बहुत 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 मराठी में बोलते हैं ना, कमी लिख दो। दे आर लाइक पावर पैक। एंड अगर ये एलिमेंट्स हमारे साथ है ना, हमारा कोई कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकता। अनलेस एंड अनटिल हम गिव अप करते, हम सरेंडर करते, या हमारा टाइम आ जाए समथिंग बेटर टू हैपन, बट certainly they are very powerful. And this is, I'm also talking from my experience of past, दिखता नहीं है बट है, 17-18 साल का तो एक्सपीरियंस है, और शायद उससे ज़्यादा ना, आई एम नियरिंग 40, so you can trust me. So first, sun element. Sun bath is very very important, whether you are COVID positive, negative, or any viral infection, anything. Sun is like free available source of energy, or beautiful resource for all of us. So sun bath morning, evening, or at least once. And again Dr. Gauri says trust your body signal, how long, when. So उसको बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेसिफिक मैं भी नहीं बना रही हूँ। ट्रस्ट योर बॉडी सिग्नल, स्टार्ट विथ 5 minutes, बट एटलीस्ट स्टार्ट विथ सन बाथ। So sun bath is first. Second, yes, I also would like to thank Professor Manju Rathi, because she introduced this Agnihotri tool in my life, and it is like working like miracles. So Agnihotra, you can just learn more about it. It is again our ancient wisdom, wherein you use cow dung, you burn cow dung and pure ghee at the right time, whether it is sunrise or sunset. Just need to follow the time, chant the mantra, and that's it. And then again burning camphor. So these 3 things I trust. So it is Agnihotra, and also you can do the aura cleansing technique using fire element. So that is also a wonderful element or wonderful tool to use the element of fire, sun, to overcome anything. It's superb, it's very powerful. So it is sun bath, Agnihotra, camphor, and aura cleansing using the diya or fire. So for that you can just get in touch with me and I can help you with that. या आजकल तो गूगल पे सब कुछ अवेलेबल है, बस राइट कीवर्ड्स डालो, क्या हुआ है, कैसे हुआ है, कितने लोग हैं, वो ढूंढने से अच्छा है ये आपको कहीं ना कहीं अच्छे ही दिशा में लेके जाएगा. सो यू कैन गूगल दिस एंड ट्राई यूजिंग इट. बी सेफ. सो फायर एलिमेंट हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया है. सो जस्ट एज अ रिमाइंडर फॉर आवर किड्स ऑल्सो, लेट्स just do something interesting wherein I'm just keeping it very simple. And yes, here we go. Sun. Okay, so we are using the power of sun. I do regular invocation also. जैसे ही हम सुबह उठे, हम just you look at the sun and say, मैं समृद्ध हूँ. Thank you for the mirror work, the Parivartan class, wherein after that I have started doing this and it is awesome. I have included it in my book as well. So we have completed the element of um, fire or sun. What is the next we are going to take? Is air. It's very, very powerful. Again, with current situation of viral infection, we know the lungs are involved, so breathing is going to be a challenging thing and to be focused. So apart from whatever else we are using to boost immunity, yes, you breathing well, breathing deep, breathing cautious and full, and making sure that oxygen reaches every part of your body, every cell of your body, and really being aware of it. अगेन, जब हम सांस लेते हैं हमें समझता ही नहीं हम सांस ले रहे हैं, बिकॉज हमारा ध्यान ही नहीं होता है, तो पता ही नहीं होता इधर हम सांस ले रहे हैं नहीं ले रहे हैं, वो एयर एलिमेंट का हो क्या रहा है, वो हवा वो शैलो है या डीप है या फास्ट है या स्लो है. वी आर नॉट बॉदर्ड, वी आर नॉट अवेयर. सो just being aware and channelizing it, making sure that it reaches every corner and using it as a asset is the key. How I have done other videos also in which you can see that or you can just comment in the comment box. My job is to just remind you of this power pack that we already have in with us, freely available, whether you're home quarantine, your room quarantine, you're hospitalized. I think everyone can use all these in a very beautiful way. Keep yourself completely busy doing this and nothing else. If at all you are already into such situation wherein you're positive and you're most of us are recovering well, even being positive. So it's like nothing to worry but taking care of self and others. So this is the best way. Okay, so breathing, do it as frequently as possible. Every 1 hour, fill in your tank of oxygen and visualize that the oxygen is reaching every part of your body, every single cell. Okay, what you can do is again Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, the video that I have already done for you, or you can just Google, you can see videos of Sadhguru. It's excellent, and Sadhguru has also explained so beautifully. I just love the videos even about the 5 elements, and here I'm connecting considering today's situation and my experience. Okay, so we have completed the sun, the air, and then we see water. Yes, I have done a video how to charge holy water, or how to charge water and make it holy. My daughter calls it holy water. So how do we do that? You can charge by using sun prana. You can charge by your thoughts, your emotions, your words, your switch words, healing codes, and there is so much. Again, you can follow my book, follow my previous videos for holy water, and you will get it. I have done 2 videos which match with it, but here my job is just to remind, भाई hey, हमारे पास मजबूत 5 ये टूल है कि ये अपने साथ है, तो किसी से डरने की जरूरत नहीं. You can just follow it, like I'm sorry for that voice. Yeah, please forgive me. So we have done sun, we have done air, we have done water, and let's do that. So how do I show sun हो गया, air, 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 air. As I breathe in, I calm down. As I breathe out, I smile. So air, and then I do water. It's just a reminder, okay? मैं चाहती हूँ कि हम ये छाप ले अपने, और डरे नहीं, बस ये फॉलो करते रहे, चाहे आपका जो भी, एंड दिस इज़ नॉट अ रिप्लेसमेंट टू एनीथिंग, इट्स जस्ट अ सप्लीमेंट्री थिंग, बिकॉज वी ऑल कैन डू इट वेर एवर वी आर, ओके? सो सन एयर वाटर हो गया है, और अब व्हाट इज़ द नेक्स्ट इज़ अर्थ में बहुत सारा काम हो रहा है with people with immense knowledge in our ancient culture, Ayurveda, and we Indians are really blessed. We already use ginger, we use vitamin C, we use haldi, and we all have enough WhatsApp forwards to take care, and I am also taking care with all that. So, earth element is one of the source, and we need to be aware कि भाई है हमारे पास शस्त्र है, चाहे हम कहीं पे भी हो, दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में हो, कुछ ना कुछ तो इसमें से हम, something would be dominant, something would be, but you can target all the 5 elements and stay safe, stay immune, powerful immune system with all these 5 elements. So we have done all this, and then is space, the last one. Now this is, I have understood this as a tool after learning from Dr. Gauri more. Well, space मैं आपको easy बना देती हूँ, equal to spacing. So we consider it or compare it with fasting. So let's commit ourselves to fast from negative words, fast from negative information, fast from negative thoughts, and don't fast from negative people, but stay safe. And how do you do that? Well, because they also need us, right? So it's not about positive acha or negative kharab. It's not useful. So let's together, support each other to get into the right direction. So how do you do that? By fasting. Fasting per se, yeah. I was also going to talk about salt bath, wherein you don't require to fast from negative people. You can just take salt bath and cleanse your energy links, your anything that you have carried negativity from outside. You can cleanse it with salt water bath. I have learned this in my pranic healing classes, and I just love the experience of it. It's amazingly powerful tool. So that is there, and once a week we can fast using fruit triad. Dr. Gauri is the best person to explain how to do it. You can do the holistic nutrition class of hers, and I have also learned it, and I can also help you in my own way. You can just type in the comment section, or स्पेसिंग यूज करो यार, थोड़ा पॉज लो, किस चीज के पीछे भाग रहे हो, टेक अ पॉज, और space your breath, space your thoughts, just slow down in life, just slow down, and trust the divine intelligence, trust in your own body, trust in your own immune system, and let it take over. It's time to surrender, it's time to connect to ancient wisdom. It's time to really take a pause and think. With due respect to all the modern sciences, I am only talking about going hand in hand and increasing the power 100 times, infinite times. So I hope this video was useful. And there is so much more. It's, of course, exercising is so very important, and somehow it's combination of all the elements, and there is so much more in my book also. But in earth element, we can do the grounding technique and beautifully use it. So the key is बहुत कुछ है. Just look within, take a pause, and keep your willpower high and strong. And let nothing disturb your peace of mind. There is always a way. There is always a way. Keep blessing. Thank you.